Mañana apenas sueño, bendito estrellas, bendito estrellas. Nananita, 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 reyes. Mañana tienes sueño, bendito estrellas, bendito estrellas. Bendito. I don't remember.
Okay, that was good.
Sounded good. That's good.
Alyssa.
You're a good singer,
I
Alyssa.
like your Spangled Banner. She does good at that.
Yeah.
Can you sing that by yourself?
Yeah.
You can?
I've done it in bars a few times.
I think it's pretty good.
Mom, you're a horrible singer.
You want to hear me sing it?
Yeah.
I
You
don't
want to
think
be on the
so.
microphone? We have a karaoke out
No, I
there.
don't want a microphone.
Go sing that banner out there. Sing it on the microphone for us.
Why?
Please.
Oh.
Because I love you.
Wait, now let's see.
Come on.
What about, wait, Tony, let her sing her
No.
Hannah Montana song,
No.
Nobody's Perfect.
You want to sing that?
Yes.
No?
Come on. That's her favorite song.
No, it's not.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Used to.
Used to
If you
be.
put her on that microphone, she's good.
I know. Well,
You want to do it on the microphone?
No.
because yeah.
Go.
Go.
Sometimes I'm in a jam, I gotta make a plan. It might be crazy, I'll do it anyway. No way to know for sure, I figure out a cure. I'm patching up the holes, but then it overflows. If I'm not doing too well, why be so hard on myself? Nobody's perfect, I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. Nobody's perfect, you live and you learn it. And if I mess it up sometimes, nobody's perfect.
You know
Woo.
that.
No, now you need to get